Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before getting into today's video, I'm really sorry for not posting videos these many days because I had some other commitment, so I couldn't able to post videos on this channel. Okay, if you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you will get notification when I just upload video. Okay, and if you're new to my channel, let me explain you what the series is. This is aptitude series and the topic I'm just dealing as time and work. What I have done is I've just segmented the time and work into six categories. Okay, so each category means six category, which is six concepts. Okay, I'm just explaining you the concepts, why this concept arrived and how the formula comes and everything. Okay, so why I'm doing this derivation everything is like I want you to understand the formulas from the fundamental itself. Okay, so why you want to learn this? Because even if you get a twisted question or sometimes you get the question more trickier. Okay, if you want to resolve those questions, you need to understand the concept from the basics. Okay, to do so you have to learn all these concepts in this way. Okay, so today is the concept number 5, and if you have any doubt, you go back to the channel, just see other concepts which I have uploaded before and come back to this concept. Okay, so the concept number 5, let me explain you first. Okay, so if they have given certain men can do the work in D days, if there were more men, the work can be done in D days. Okay, then how many men were there initially can be calculated using this formula, that is capital M is equal to this formula. Okay, capital M is equal to M into D minus D divided by small d. Okay, so let me explain you the whiteboard itself. So what they have said, there are M men initially. Okay, so let us consider there are 5 men initially. Okay, and they take D days to complete, so let us consider 10 days to complete. Okay, and if there were more men, like 5 plus 2 men extra, okay, this is small m. Okay, and they take definitely less than 10 days to complete the work. Okay, so this value will be small d. Okay, so now if they have given this value, and this value, and you have to find the initial number of men available, then the formula will be M is equal to small m. Okay, small m into D minus D divided by D. Okay, so let me just show you how to derive this formula. Okay, so let me pick up the green color. Okay, so now the men day work. Okay, so men day work is nothing but men day work. Okay, so it is nothing but the number of men available and the number of days they have taken to complete the work, that is men day work. So the formula is M into D, just simple, direct, M into D. Okay, so here you can see what they have said, 5 men took 10-day work. Okay, that is M into D we have written. Okay, but what they have said after if just a minute, yes, just a second, hold for a minute. Yes, yeah, now what they have said, now M men were available initially and additional small m men were there. Okay, and what they took D minus D days to complete the work. Correct, so they done the work in D minus D days to complete the work. Okay, sorry, this is D days less than. Okay, so D days less than to complete the work. Okay, now I have just written for them. Okay, so men day work for the additional men. Okay, so this I have written. Okay, so if I want to derive to this formula, I'm just going to equate both the thing, like MD is equal to M plus M small m into D minus. Okay, because the days are lesser, right? Yes, so D minus. Okay, then again yes, D minus D. Okay, so this is the formula from which if you just simplify, you can just get this formula. Okay, so how to do that? So this is nothing but MD is equal to M capital M of D minus D. Okay, plus small m of D minus D. Okay, so now I'm just taking this to this side. Okay, MD minus MD. Okay, and plus MD, which is equal to M of D minus D. Okay, so this gets cancelled and this is available, which is m d minus d. Okay, so now m is equal to, now you can just take the d to the denominator. So m is equal to small m of d minus d divided by d. So where this is the number of men available at the initial stage, so these are the number of men added in the middle, and this is the number of men initially available and the days taken to complete the work, and this is the d less number of days to complete the work, and also this is the d lesser number of days to complete the work. Okay, so let me explain the parameters once again. So m is the number of men initially available. Okay, initially available men. Okay, and small m is the added men in the middle. Okay, and d is the this number of men took to complete the work, okay, and this d is the both this men and this men took to complete the work in d less than this d days. Okay, less than d days. Okay, so it may be 2 days lesser than this d, it may be 3 days lesser than d. Okay, so what I have written is, so here we have seen an example, right? So just have a look out of here. So if you see, so I have written here, so it is 10 days and this is less than 10 days. Okay, that is what I have written here. Okay, oh, now I hope you understand the concept and the formula, how it comes. Okay, so now back to the presentation. Yes, so this is the presentation. So the second task, second stuff in this concept number 5 is, a certain men can do the work in d days. Same thing, if there were m less men, okay, before it was like the men's were added, like 5 men's were there and 2 men's come in and the days were reduced. Okay, now here 5 men's were there, it might be like 3 men's will go out or 2 men's will go out. Okay, they will go out, so number of men's will be less and the work taken will be d days more than, okay, small d days more than the bigger d days. Okay, so how many men were there initially? For this kind of question, the formula will be just very simple. Before we have derived, right, minus, you can just replace it with plus. Okay, so just opposite sign. Okay, this I'm going to leave it for you. Okay, let me show you the thing. Okay, so just see here. Okay, let me write here. So the number of men initially available is m. Okay, and the days taken by them to complete the work is d. So men day work, okay, that will be m into d. Okay, now the number of men get reduced to m. Okay, so for that it will be like m minus m. Okay, second time the number men get reduced. Okay, men reduced. Okay, and what happens, days taken for them will be d plus d, because obviously it has to get increased, right? So for example, 5 men were working, 10 days were taken. Now if 3 men were working, so they will definitely take greater than 10 days, right? So that is what here. Okay, so days will be d plus d. Okay, so now men day work will be m minus m into d plus d. Okay, so just equate both the things. So md is equal to m minus m into d plus d. Okay, so this time I'm just leaving this derivation for you. Okay, you just derive it, and if you have any doubt on this derivation, do let me know in the comment section. I am ready to answer your queries. Okay, so we have already derived md is equal to m plus m and d minus d. Okay, small if I say m minus m, the first comes the bigger, capital M, the second comes the smaller one. Okay, so I have derived the opposite sign. You have to just derive for this, just same thing. Okay, just try it from your end. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, so that's all for the concept number 5. Okay, so in the next video, I think I'll be explaining you the problems, like I'll be trying to solve so many problems which are available in the internet. I try to solve maximum number of problems which is available in the internet. Okay, we can go very slowly. It is not I don't have any rules because I don't have to follow anyone, and also I have to not rush up anything. Okay, so let me just solve one by one. So in the next video, I'll be solving the problems. The concept number 6 will be explaining in the later part. Okay, I guess you're clear with the concept number 1 to 5. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. I'm ready to answer your queries. Okay, so that's all for the video. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.